It's Evan. Hello again. Today we will continue our transformations, but today we will talking about reflection. Okay, reflection. In our last part, we were talking about the first transformation is translation, and we make translate from any point to its image. Okay, but now or in this session we're talking about reflection. Okay, reflection is like a mirror, but we will make it in our coordinate plane. If we have our axis like this and we want to make reflection on it, okay, our reflection will be in our axis. Okay, we have two axes in our coordinate plane. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Okay, for example, if we have 1 2 3 4 and another 1 2 3 and -1 -2 -3 -1 -2 -3, and we want to make a reflection to any point on x-axis or y-axis. For example, I will choose this point 3 and 2 like this. I will call it A. Okay, and I want to make a reflection to this point 3 and 2 in our y-axis. So our y-axis will be like a mirror. So the distance from A to Y will be like the distance from Y and our image. Let's counting 1 2 3. So I will counting 3 from other side. 1 2 3. So our point will be here, A dash, and it will be -3 for x and 2 for y. Okay, and it is the same if I want to make our image in our x-axis. So I will make our x-axis like a mirror. So I will counting from this point to 1 2, and after our mirror the same counting 1 2. So our point will be here, A double dash, it will be 3x and -2y. 3 and -2. Okay, what we will deduce? We will deduce if we make reflect to any point with y-axis, we will make y as it is, and we will change the x part. It was 3 and its image will be -3. And if we want to make reflection on our x-axis, we will make x as it is. 3 will be 3, we will keep it, and we will change y part 2 will be -2. If it -2, it will be 2, and so on. Okay, another example without drawing. If he give to us some points, A is 2 and -3, B is 5 and 6, C -2 and -4, and I want reflection on x-axis one time. I want reflection on x-axis one time and y-axis in other time. One of them to x-axis and the other to y-axis. Okay, let's find what is the difference between them. You want to reflection on x-axis, so I will keep x as it is. 2 will be it's the same too, and I will change y part to be it is negative. I will make it positive 3. So the image of A by reflection on x-axis it will be 3 and 3. If I wanted to make it on y-axis, I will keep y as it is, negative 3, I will keep it, and I will change the sign of x part to it will be negative 2. So if I wanted to make a reflection on x-axis, I will keep x as it is and change the sign of y. And if I wanted to make reflection on y-axis, I will keep y as it is and change x part. Okay, okay. X-axis, I will keep x as it is. X-axis, I will keep x as it is. Okay. Y-axis, I will keep y as it is. Y-axis, I keep y as it is. Okay. X-axis, I will change y part 6, it will be negative 6. Negative 4, it will be 4. Y-axis, I will change x part 5, it will be negative 5. Negative 2, it will be 2. Okay, okay. If we have a 2 and negative 5, okay, and we want to find its image, find a dash with reflection on origin point. What is the origin point? The origin point is the point 0 and 0. Okay, 0 and 0. Okay, A will be 2 and negative 5. Okay, the image of A in reflection of origin point will be, we will change both parts of x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so 2 will be negative 2 and negative 5 will be 5. Okay, now I will write 1 point and we will make all reflection. Okay, the 3 type of reflection. A will be negative 3 and 2. And I want to make reflection on x-axis 1 time. And on y-axis other time. And the last time on origin point, the point 0, 0. Okay, our reflection will be A dash will be x-axis, so we will keep x as it is, it will be negative 3 and change 2 to be negative 2. Y-axis, we will keep y part as it is, 2, we will keep it and change x part negative 3 so to be 3. Origin point, we will change the both parts to be negative 3, it will be 3 and the 2 will be negative 2. Okay, okay, now we will use our coordinate plane to find the reflection of any shape like a triangle and find it on our coordinate plane by reflection on x-axis and y-axis. For example, if he give to us A with 9 and 5, okay, and B will be 6 and 1, C 2 and 2, okay, and he wanted to find the image of triangle ABC, okay, with reflection on one x-axis, the second one y-axis, The third one, origin point. Okay. Okay, first I will write our point A, B, and C. Okay. A 9 and 5, B. It will be 6 and 1, C 2 and 2. Okay, and we want to make a reflection on x-axis, so it will be x-axis, y-axis, y-axis, and origin point. Okay. Okay, I will say that x-axis, its image will be a dash, so y-axis will be a double dash, origin point will be a triple dash. Okay, and b dash, b double dash, b triple dash. So we have c dash, c double dash, c triple dash. Okay. Okay, I will start with x-axis. If we want to find the reflection on x-axis, we will keep x as it is. Okay, so we will keep x 9, 6, 2, and we will change y. It's assigned to be -5, -1, -2. And if we want to find the reflection on y, so we keep y as it is, so it will be 5, 1, 2, and we will change x to be -9, -6, and -2. Okay? Okay. The last one, if we want to find reflection on origin point, so we will change the pose, okay, direction x and y. So 9 will be -9 to -5. 6 will be -6 to -1. 2 and 2 will be -2 to -2. Okay? Okay. Now we finished the first part and we will go to the second part that we will represent this point in our coordinate plane. Okay? Be with me. Okay, this is our coordinate plane, okay, and we will start with determine the first point of original triangle A, B, and C. Is talking about 9 and 5, 9 and go up to find 5. This is will be A, and the second one 6 and 1. We will find the 6 and go up to find 1. It will be B, and the 2 and the 2. It will be 2x and go up to find the 2. It will be C. And after that, we will join the 3 points with each other to find the triangle A, B, C. Okay. The second triangle is the reflection on x-axis. Okay. 9 and the -5. We will search about 9 and go down to find -5. -5. It will be A dash. The second point B dash. 9 and the -1. 9. Okay, and -1, it will be the second point be 6 and the -1. We will go to 6 and go down to -1. Okay, it will be B dash. Okay, the last point is C dash 2 and the -2, 2, and we will go down to -2. It will be C dash. Okay. After we finished, we will join the 3 points with each other, okay? Okay, like this, okay? Our x-axis is like a mirror, and this is the original triangle, and this is the image of it, okay? It's like a mirror, okay? Now we will determine the third triangle is the reflection on x and y-axis, okay? Okay, A double dash is -9 and 5. We will search about -9 and go up to find the 5. So it will be our point A double dash, A double dash. And after that, -6 and 1. We will search about -6 and go up to 1. This is B double dash. And the last one, -2 and 2. We will search about -2 and go up to 2. It will be C double dash. After that, we will join the 3 points with each other. Okay. Okay, this is our third triangle. It's the reflection of this triangle into y-axis. Okay, so y-axis is like a mirror. The distance between any point and its image is r equal. Okay, now our last triangle is a reflection into origin point. Okay, we will determine it. Okay, a triple dash -9 and the -5, so we'll search about -9 and go down to -5. This is our point. Okay, a triple dash. Okay, b triple dash is -6 and the -1. We will search about -6 and the -1. This is our point. Okay, so it will be b triple dash. Okay, the last point is c triple dash -2 and the -2. So -2 and go down to -2. This is c triple dash. Okay, we will join the 3 points with each other. Okay, this is our last triangle, the reflection on origin point. The origin point like a mirror. Okay, like this, and the distance between each point in our original triangle and the points in our image will be equal to each other. Okay, this is our reflection. This is how can we find the reflection into our x-axis and the y-axis and the origin point. I hope everything is clear and you got our idea. If you have any problem on it, we will talking about it in our next part, inshallah. We still have the third part is talking about rotation. We will talking about it in our next Thursday, inshallah. Be with me and see you later. Okay.